Hello everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm Thomas Etschel, founder of Etsy Innovations, and today I want to talk to you about one of those updates that I've been waiting for quite some time, and it's finally inside one of my Google Ads accounts. It's called VEO 3. Yes, you heard right. Finally, you have the video AI generation VEO 3 inside your Google Ads Asset Studio, and I will show you exactly where it is and how to use it, and we're also going to do a test together. But what means finally having VEO 3 inside your Google Ads account? You can now generate AI videos directly inside Google Ads. You don't need any external tools, no video production budget, also no Canva, no Premiere Pro, whatever. You just upload images inside your Asset Studio and Google will create a video out of it. And this video will have movement, will have audio, will be ready for your campaign to be published. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. I will also show you the interface when it's live, where you can find it. Maybe you already have it. I think only 1-2% of the worldwide Google Ads accounts have it right now. Yeah, just a quick context for those who are not following every single Google AI announcement that I'm posting on LinkedIn or also here on YouTube on Shorts. VEO 3, think of it like what Imagen Google does for images, but this time for video. So text in, video out. In this case, image in, video out. Now VEO 3 already existed and developers could access it through the Gemini API and Vertex AI since mid-2025 already. But that was a developer tool. That was just for engineers, developers building, custom applications or whatever. Not for us advertisers, or some advertisers only, because we're sitting inside the Google Ads interface. We don't have so much time to work outside. And it's finally launching in Google Ads. And what's changed is that Google brought VEO 3 directly inside the Asset Studio. Google announced in their annual letter, I think it was 2026 February, something like that, that they will bring this tool, they will bring VEO 3 inside Google Ads. March 2026, it's already live. And VEO 3 is not the first AI tool that has been integrated inside Google Ads Asset Studio. Last year we got already Nano Banana Pro, which is Google's image AI tool inside Asset Studio for free, unlimited credit, which is amazing. But now we also have VEO 3. And enough talking, now we go straight inside the Google Ads interface. I show you where to find VEO 3 inside your Asset Studio. Then we're gonna do a nice example test. All right, we're here inside the Google Ads Asset Studio. You can find it if you go under Tools and then click on Asset Studio on the For You menu page. First of all, if you click here, you will be generated directly to Nano Banana 2 image creation, which is also very cool. You can play around with. But what we're looking for today is VEO 3 inside Google Ads. And all you need to do is to check here, if you go on the create or edit your videos, is Google Ads showing you this animation here? Then that's a sign that you have VEO 3 activated. So let's go on create video for images. So I click here and now I'm inside the VEO 3 generate video page. And all I need to do first is obviously first read through that high quality images work best here for VEO 3. Generated clips will match the selected image aspect ratio. And very important, images of faces are not supported yet. So whenever you upload an image with a face on it, Google will give you back a disapproval message and you cannot use that. But let's first use, for example, a video of 5 seconds. I'm gonna click here add. And now, for example, I do an example with Nike. I put here the URL, let it crawl. And then take, for example, one of those. Let's see here. I like this one. Right, I'm gonna put this one here as my source image. I can use 3 images in this case. Let me just put this one probably, or I can also use this one. Yeah, let's go for 1:1 aspect ratio. And I can say save. Now I have video length 5 seconds. I have this shoe from Nike. And now I'm gonna say Google generate video clips. So this is now the preview page. This usually takes, I think 30 seconds. All right, now it has loaded and we have here our first result. Let's click on, for example, scene 1 and see what Google VEO 3 is creating for us. Yeah, you can see really nice 3D clip of the shoes. And this one, yeah, very similar one. Let's try another. Let's try, for example, I like, yeah, this one here. Let's create it again in 1:1. All right, here we have the new example now in 5 seconds. Let's use this image as a new example. All right, here we have the next example. From those three, probably 360 looked like the best one as first. Looked like the best one. All right, now we have 3 examples. As you can see in the second example, I always recommend not using any pictures where there are hands or any motoric movement that AI cannot reproduce well. In this case, binding the shoelaces. Okay, let's take the first example, okay? The scene 1, and we say use selected clip. Now, Google gives us here different templates to enhance the video. For example, let's take spatial layers. Then here we can say buy shoes. We can also have a music here. You can play the audio. You have to select a logo, obviously. So here select an example logo of Nike. And there are also different template settings where you can put the font family, you can put the weight of the font, and also the colors. In this case, you can select them here. Let's say, okay, let's apply to the video. Now Google is applying those settings to our VEO 3 video. And this would be an example outcome. It would look like this. In this case, obviously, you would change the fonts, something different with a white background. You should not have white titles, obviously, on a white background. But if you don't like this template, for example, you could choose another one and then regenerate it again. Let's say, okay, let's say this is a video that we like. We put a lot of effort now inside the editing, and we also like the video generation. So we say, okay, save this video, and we just need to upload it now to our YouTube channel. Or if we don't have our own YouTube channel, then you can use YouTube's own ad storage channel, which you can just click here. In this case, I would just go to my YouTube channel and say upload video. Then the video is getting uploaded and it's unlisted, so nobody will see it except they have the link. And you can use this video then. To advertise in your, for example, PMAX, demand gen campaigns, and also YouTube campaigns. Yeah, which is pretty awesome, and you can do this for free, unlimited, which is even better. But yeah, this has just been a short introduction where to find it or how to see if you're even eligible, if you already have this update inside your Google Ads account. And I think here the creativeness is unlimited. So hope you liked this video, and I think this is a very great update from Google. And yeah, if you don't want to miss more nice updates, AI updates, Google Ads updates, tips and tricks, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.